Who do you know that's looking for a larger home in Fire Mountain? This fully remodeled beauty sits on a large lot, has 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are both primary suites, 3 bathrooms, and extensive ocean views. It sits on the south side of Fire Mountain, so it's close to access to the 78 and quick into South Oceanside. This home is under $2 million, and I can't wait to show it to you. Come tour this house with me. This house sits at the top of Elevada. Elevada dead ends into Ivy, which is on the southwest side of Fire Mountain with easy access to the 78 freeway and South Oceanside. As you walk up to the front of the house, you'll notice low maintenance plants as well as turf and 2 single car garages. As we open up the new gate, you'll come into a beautifully tiled courtyard, which is the perfect place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee on a sunny day. This house is a tract home and was built in 1967 with over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms. As we walk up to the entry and through the front door, you'll notice a beautiful sitting area with storage space for shoes and other items. And we walk through to the right are the bedrooms and bathrooms, with the guest bathroom being downstairs, and into the spacious living room with fireplace. And as we turn to the left, you'll notice it's open to the dining area that seats a larger dining table with 6 to 8 chairs. The dining area then flows into the kitchen. You'll notice a eat-in bar for families to enjoy breakfast and a beautifully remodeled kitchen, including stainless steel appliances, a range hood, stainless steel sink, and beautiful quartz countertops. Again, open to the living and dining area. We'll step outside. As we walk up to the second part of the patio, you'll notice a larger part of the yard behind the dining area. There is a slider with access to the backyard from one of the primary suites. And in the back corner, there is a fire pit, which is a perfect place to sit on cool summer evenings. And a storage shed that could be changed into a she shed or into a small man cave. As we step into the backyard, you'll notice it has been completely redone, featuring succulents as well as low maintenance turf. There are also 2 patio areas for dining or for sitting and enjoying a drink with friends, and a great area for the kids to play. As we walk back into the house, right next to the kitchen, you'll notice 2 doors. One is a closet and another is a large pantry area for food storage. We're now headed to check out the bedrooms. Here is a large under staircase closet with plenty of room for storage. And across the way is the full guest bath that also has been completely remodeled with a new vanity, new toilet, and new shower. Up the first set of stairs, there are 3 bedrooms. To the right, we're going to walk to see the first bedroom that is at the front of the house. Has a beautiful window, a lot of natural light, and a mirrored closet. Big enough for at least a queen-size bed and a desk or other furniture that may be needed. Then right next to that room is a room that could be used as an office. It's a little smaller, but it is considered a bedroom as it does have a closet and a window. Walking down the hall on the same level, this is the first of 2 primary suites. This has a very small ocean view, large room, and the slider to walk out into the backyard. Into the remodeled bathroom with dual sinks, glass shower doors, modern fixtures, and a rain shower head. Lastly, we walk into the primary suite that has its own ocean viewing deck attached. It's a large room with plenty of room for a king-size bed, larger closet, and space for a seating area or an area for a desk or a place just to do your morning yoga while watching the sunrise. 2 sliders walk you right out onto the ocean view deck and give you a beautiful view of the rest of your backyard and the Pacific Ocean. You'll enjoy expansive views of the ocean, having a cocktail, or enjoying coffee as the sun rises. If you have any questions about this property or would like to tour it yourself in person, please reach out to me, Megan Meihaus, 310-403-2139. Thanks. Please contact me for a private showing. I'd be happy to show this beautiful home to you. Please contact me at 760-237-8055. Thanks for watching.